Safe is the key word for today. Protecting your deposits is the key phrase for today. Good afternoon, Harvard Tree. How are you doing? What does that mean, protecting deposits? Well, when you deposit your money in the bank, when you deposit your money in the institution, your deposit is actually protected up to $1.2 million. So if something happens, the bank fails, you are protected. And so we are here to learn more about that, as well as other strategies to keep your money safe.
To ensure that the system is stronger and to ensure that it remains stable, the JDIC was one of those institutions which were created. We were created in 1998 to establish a deposit insurance scheme. And through this deposit insurance scheme, your deposits that you place in the regulated deposit-taking institutions are protected in the event of failure of any of these institutions.
And I want to dispel the myth that the stock market is a rich man thing. When people hear about the stock market, they say, Lord God, me not have money, because that's something that you have to have a lot of money. So we are saying, if you look at the sheets that you have, you don't have to have a lot of money to invest in these companies. Make money while the company making money. Create your wealth.
I am so proud and so glad. You know, I used to waste my money, and it was over 36 companies, although the shares them small, but gradually, I'm becoming a millionaire.
Hey, silent millionaire.
There's a lot of opportunity that you're well familiar with the digitization of financial services. You can pay your school fees online. You can attend courses in other countries online. It's a wonderful world of opportunity for digitization. But digitization does bring cyber risk. Because of cyber risk, there are instances where depositors and other users of financial services have found that their accounts have been tampered with. So we thought in this 25th year of bringing this forum to you, we would pay attention to what is most important to you. The failing of the bank hasn't been so much of a problem for you for 25 years, but cyber risk certainly is.
We need to be digital defenders today. So cybersecurity is just protecting your digital information, protecting your data, protecting everything that you use in the cyberspace. So your cell phones, your computers, your tablets, it's protecting it from unauthorized personnel. Why is cybersecurity important? Now I hear members from the OIC came up here and they talk about protecting your information, protecting your data, protecting whatever you have in the bank. So cybersecurity is important for that reason, because you want to ensure that whatever information, whatever money, whatever you have, you protect it. For example, those of us who save with the banks, if cybersecurity is not in play, then our monies would not be secure, right?
And data is not just digital. We tend to talk a lot about, encryption and your software is being up to date, but data, your files that are in your offices, that's personal data too, and also digital. So guess what? Whether those files are stored digitally or physically, they have to be protected.
The JBA actively promotes financial literacy initiatives, collaborating with various institutions, such as we are doing here today, to educate individuals on responsible money management, saving strategies, and the benefit of using the formal financial products.
Bank of Jamaica is not your regular bank. Members of the public cannot have accounts or get loans at Bank of Jamaica. Instead, BOJ provides banking services to the government, commercial banks, and other financial institutions. So BOJ has two main priorities. These are price stability and financial system stability. Now we all know that prices are not stable. Unfortunately, prices are going up. So when we say that we are responsible for price stability, we mean that we're trying to keep prices as stable as possible, meaning that the increases are slow, stable, and predictable. And this helps you to be able to plan your money better. It helps you to budget. It helps companies to know how to invest and buy inventory.
ladies and gentlemen, you have the opportunity to go out, invest in your children, invest in their future, because when they can be able to be productive in society, they'll be able to do their savings, and also they'll be able to invest and understand when it comes on to financial literacy.